Hey there! Struggling with your Amazon Fire Stick TV stuck on the Amazon screen? We've got you covered. Whether you're a tech novice or a seasoned pro, this guide provides a clear, step-by-step method to resolve this common issue. Read on to learn how to fix Amazon Fire Stick TV stuck on Amazon screen and get back to streaming your favorite shows in no time. Step 1. Perform a basic restart. The simplest first step is to perform a basic restart of your Amazon Fire Stick TV. Unplug the power adapter from the electrical outlet. The simplest first step is to perform a basic restart of your Amazon Fire Stick TV. Unplug the power adapter from the electrical outlet and wait for about 10 seconds. Then, plug it back in. This forces the device to reboot, which often clears temporary glitches, causing the system freeze on the Amazon logo. Step 2. Check and reconnect HDMI connections. Next, ensure your HDMI connections are secure. Unplug your Fire Stick from the HDMI port of your TV and examine both the port and the cable for any visible damage or dust accumulation. After checking, reconnect the Fire Stick to the HDMI port. If possible, try using a different HDMI port or even a different HDMI cable to rule out a faulty connection issue. Step 3. Factory reset with the remote. If the Fire Stick is still stuck, factory reset might be necessary. Hold down the back and right button on your remote simultaneously for about 10 seconds until you see a reset prompt on your screen. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the factory reset. Please note that this step will erase all your data and settings, so it should only be taken as a last resort. Step 4. Check internet connection. A stable internet connection is crucial to the proper functioning of your Amazon Fire Stick TV. Make sure your Wi-Fi is working correctly. Try restarting your router or moving the Fire Stick closer to your router to ensure a strong signal. If your connection seems weak, contact your internet service provider for further assistance. Step 5. Update the software. Sometimes outdated software causes issues. If you manage to access the settings on your Fire Stick, navigate to Settings, then My Fire TV, and select About. Choose Check for Updates to ensure your device is running the latest version. Updating could resolve any bugs that are causing the system. Step 6. Contact Amazon support. If you've tried everything and your Amazon Fire Stick TV is still not functioning, it may be time to contact Amazon support. They can provide further troubleshooting steps and determine if your device needs repair or replacement. Dealing with an Amazon Fire Stick TV stuck on the Amazon screen can be frustrating, but with these steps, you should be able to swiftly resolve the issue. Whether it's a simple restart, a secure HDMI connection, or a factory reset, each method aims to restore your device's functionality. Always ensure your device is updated and maintain a strong internet connection to prevent such issues in the future. Remember to prioritize these troubleshooting steps in order. Don't hesitate to reach out to Amazon support if needed. Happy streaming.